Well, on the first question, if any, well, if any person has alleged that they have taken over the leadership of the party, they say the facts speaks for themselves. Repsisa loquito. You can see that nobody has taken over the leadership of the party. The leadership of the party is one, and it's led by this National Working Committee that you see. My own approach is to allow people to exhaust themselves, and where they stop, I will start from there. I didn't join issues, but on Tuesday I was in the meeting with INEC on Monday, and the facts spoke for itself. Under INEC invitation, specially invited. And the leadership of the party is not in doubt. It's clear and it's obvious. Even the blind man will feel it. So it's obvious. The leadership of the party is intact. And there's no doubt about it. As usual, we will we'll continue to reach out to the NLC and all other stakeholders for us to have a common front. A lot of other people are also doing the same thing. And I'm sure that my speech also captured it, that we are going to set up Peace and Reconciliation Committee. And I'm sure that all of this is geared towards achieving that objective. Well, you will agree with me that my presidential candidate, Peter Obi, is a friend to everybody. Even those who abuse them, those who abuse him, he visits them, call them his friends. You've seen that he is not a Muslim, but he participated in fasting. I was breaking fast with Muslims across the country. He goes to IDP camps. He visits politicians of all class. And so his visit to Atiku may or may not be related to politics. And so, for me, there is nothing unusual about his visit to Atiku and others. However, if visiting Atiku will make PO president, what's my problem with that? If visiting Saraki, Kwakwaso and Co. will make PO president of Nigeria 20 days, what's my problem with that? So, for me, when we get to the bridge, we will cross that bridge. And so, for me, there is nothing unusual about it. It's his usual way of visiting everybody. And so, there's no big deal about that. About the parliament, for those who have followed my speech, since the inauguration of the current National Assembly, this has been my sermon. My sermon has not changed. If you take the speech I have made today and you relate it to the speech I made before, and all the subsequent visits, including the dinner that was organized for our elected member, the very first dinner, when they all converged in Abuja to collect their certificate of return, the same sermon I have been preaching, that we must fight for the people, defend the people, and represent the voice of the people. We have no issues with our members in the National Assembly. Our relationship with them is cordial, and we are working very, very, very closely. And so, there's no controversy, there is no contradiction.
Okay.
Thank you.